How to tie a boat off using a rope cleat. Very simple. Pull the rope tight underneath and start an 8 loop. 1, 2, about 3 of those. Then take the rope and back it in on itself, tugging at it, and do another one. Take the rope, back it in on itself, and tug on it. Simple as that. No need to do any elaborate knots. How to tie a boat off to a wreck using the rope cleat. Bring it down and then start an 8 loop, and about here, turn it in on itself, pull it tight, turn it in on itself, pull it tight. Let the rope hang. That's a nice secure knot.